What's the meaning of bezel? Bezel. Bezel.
Bezel. Bezel. A bezel is a term used to describe the outer edge or rim of a device, typically electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and watches. It can refer to the strip of material surrounding the screen or display, or it may encompass the entire frame of the device. The bezel serves a functional purpose by protecting the delicate components of the device and providing structural support. However, it also provides an aesthetic aspect to the device design, with some manufacturers opting for minimal and sleek bezels, while others use them as a canvas for additional features such as physical buttons or touchpads. In summary, the bezel is an integral part of modern device design, both functionally and aesthetically.